Welcome to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and support the channel so we can continue bringing you the latest updates. Your support keeps us motivated to provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Today, we are talking about the AGM-114 Hellfire Missile USA 2026 and all the recent developments surrounding this powerful weapon system. The AGM-114 Hellfire Missile has been one of the most reliable and widely used air-to-ground precision strike weapons in the U.S. military for decades. As we move into 2026, the system is undergoing major upgrades to enhance its effectiveness, versatility, and accuracy on modern battlefields. One of the biggest improvements is the introduction of the Selectable Precision Effects Articulated Spear warhead, a revolutionary technology that allows operators to choose between different blast modes based on mission requirements. This means the missile can now deliver either a forward-focused explosive impact or a radial area effect, giving commanders more control during complex operations. The Spear upgrade has been integrated into the Pentagon's budget for 2026, with an increased investment of nearly $50 million to accelerate production and testing. Lockheed Martin, the primary manufacturer of the Hellfire missile, recently secured a $720 million U.S. Army contract to produce thousands of additional Hellfire and Joint Air-to-Ground Missiles (JAGM). This funding not only supports U.S. operational needs but also includes foreign military sales to allied countries such as Poland, Spain, Italy, Canada, and the United Kingdom. These nations rely on the Hellfire system for their helicopters, drones, and naval defense systems, making the missile a globally trusted platform. Over 145,000 Hellfire missiles have been produced so far, and demand continues to grow as the system evolves to meet new defense challenges. In addition to upgrades for land and air platforms, the Hellfire missile is also being adapted for naval applications. The U.S. Navy has begun equipping littoral combat ships (LCS) with longbow Hellfire launchers to improve ship defense against small boats, drones, and aerial threats. These new configurations have already been tested successfully and are expected to play a critical role in maritime security operations. The ability to engage fast-moving threats in coastal waters demonstrates how versatile the Hellfire has become. The missile's role in counter-unmanned aerial systems (CUAS) is also expanding. With the rise of drone warfare, the U.S. military is integrating Hellfire into its anti-drone strategy, making it an essential part of both offensive and defensive operations. Furthermore, specialized versions like the AGM-114R9X, also known as the Flying Ginsu, use kinetic blades instead of explosives to minimize collateral damage during targeted strikes, enhancing precision without compromising safety. The Hellfire missile program continues to evolve rapidly, maintaining its reputation as one of the most effective and adaptable precision strike systems in the world. As 2026 approaches, new upgrades, improved warheads, and expanded deployment options ensure that Hellfire will remain a cornerstone of U.S. and allied military power. Stay connected to this channel for more updates on the latest defense technologies and weapons systems. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and support the channel so we can keep bringing you fresh content and detailed analyses.